Okay, please excuse the size. It's been Christmas and everything is still everywhere at the moment, but I just want to show you these coffee machines. In the moment they're $39.99 at Tesco and they're still £100 in Argos, and they are one of the most easiest things ever to use. Basically you've got your water pot, you fill with water, just fill that with water. Stick it back on the back. Doing it one-handed, it's that easy. There you go. Turning on the plug. Right, so I'm going to have a vanilla latte. Right, so turn on the plug. It comes with, like, say if you want a small cup, yeah, you can put that in. So I'll just take it out. So like a full mug me. Right, so basically, turn it on. If you're anything like me, right, when you first get these boxes, you like rip them open. Well, you don't need to, because you just open them at the bottom, like that, and then you can get your thing out. Right, so the milk, you always do that. Me first, look. Shake, shake. Put it in. It's simple. That's it. Just put it in the top there. Ta-da! And press the button. So that's your milk. You always think things like this are going to be really complicated. They're not. This one is brilliant. The Tassimo T40. 2 litre tank at the back. So it's like you can make loads of drinks out of it. Some of them you can just make one and you have to go fill it up again. But this is a bargain, like I say. Tesco.com, $39.99. Argos still $99.99. So get them now while you can. I can smell that vanilla latte already. When it flashes green, when it's redder, it goes on to the green plus sign, which means you can add more water, but I wouldn't do that until right at the end. You wait until the green goes on to the orange before you open it. To put your coffee capsule in. You'll find a lot of the drinks you're meant to put the milk in first, for the lattes and the cappuccinos and all that kind of stuff. Obviously if you're just having tea or hot chocolate, they're just single pods on their own, and you can get like the creamer for milk for them. Again, there's the coffee. Put it in. So simple. Even I can use it, it's that simple. And I haven't done any screw ups because it's that simple, which is unusual for me. Oh, it smells delicious. If this was smell-o-vision, Yumm. Costa vanilla lattes. It's the only reason I've got one of these, because I love my vanilla lattes. And I weren't going to buy one that's £100. Anything that's half price or cheaper, that's the way to do it. There you go, just add the extra right at the end to make it to a full cup by pressing the finger on the button. Good. And there you go, Costa coffee.